Welcome, folks, to this Shopify Secrets deep dive. Think of it as turning your store into a daily cash machine. Let's get into it.
Absolutely. Exciting stuff here. So, first off, they kick things off by recommending a micro niche, like vegan skincare kits. Kind of a targeted approach to capitalize on minimal competition, right?
Exactly. It's like finding that hidden gem in a sea of generic products, spotting trends early with Shopify's trend reports. Thinking 2025 ahead.
Yeah. And when it comes to making the store super fast, they go for image compression and themes like turbo. I mean, sub 2 second load times? That's essential for boosting sales.
For sure, because, well, a slow site is like a store with a broken door, it just doesn't invite customers in.
Mhm. Now, this secret pre sale trick using Shopify's waitlist app, offering a 15% discount for early signups, that's brilliant. But don't you think, might it attract bargain hunters instead of loyal customers?
That's a fair point, but the idea is to create early buzz. It's a win-win. You test demand while building a list of potential buyers.
Right. Cool. And when they talk about optimizing product pages, embedding a looping demo video is a neat trick. Visual proof really can boost conversions, they say by 20%.
Yeah, it's like showing someone exactly how a gadget works rather than just telling them. And then there's the neat use of Shopify's Facebook Pixel for um, retargeting cart abandoners with $5 day ads, smart and cost-effective.
Yeah, I find it interesting how they layer in upselling too, with a frequently bought together section that ups the sale without feeling pushy. It's a subtle nudge, isn't it?
Exactly. It's like a gentle reminder. Hey, why not grab that extra screen protector along with your phone case? It balances efficiency with customer comfort.
And speaking of balance, the secret shipping trick using Shopify Shipping's private carrier rates to slash UPS costs by up to 80% sounds pretty game changing.
Totally, keeping shipping costs low translates directly to better margins. It's like an unexpected discount on overhead.
hmm Then there's the email strategy, setting up an abandoned cart sequence with a hidden 10% off coupon. That strategy recovers around 10-15% of lost sales, which really is a gold mine.
Right, and it adds that personal touch, like saying, "Hey, we noticed you left something behind. Here's a little incentive."
I also like the holiday trick, a VIP page for email subscribers, creating exclusivity and urgency. That's a clever way to drive pre orders during busy periods.
Yeah. And then, let's not forget about competitor spying with the Sell the Trend app. Mimicking rival pricing strategies while staying discreet really keeps you ahead of the curve.
Definitely. But I have to ask, don't you think there might be risks in too closely mimicking competitors? It might stifle some unique branding elements.
That's a valid critique. There's always a balance between learning from competitors and retaining your own brand identity. Mum, it's about smart adaptation, not copying
Right.
outright.
Overall, from targeting long tail keywords for SEO to automating customer support with a chatbot, these secrets have it all. Kudos to the strategy that makes consistent $100 days look so achievable.
Absolutely, it's like each tip is a cog in a well-oiled machine, each one building off the other to keep the revenue rolling in. Thanks for joining this lively discussion, folks, and keep hustling on Shopify.